tired of eating that barbecue from the street? Where they give you more sauce than they give you meat? But bring your big ass down to Bruh's Barbecue. 15837 South Crenshaw Boulevard. That's right off Manchester. Bruh's Barbecue. Tastes so good, make you want to slap your mama. Don't it, Willie?
Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
Ain't but one location, so it's near as you.
Hey, go in your bag. You're still gonna get your brisket.